Hello everybody, you are welcome to my Photoshop channel. If you want to create like this kind of image inside the Photoshop, so you are at the very right place. Make sure you have fastened your seatbelt and keep watching this tutorial till the end. You can also create this kind of image inside the Photoshop very easily. I will discuss thoroughly whole concept of this image to you. So keep watching this tutorial and stay tuned, and you should subscribe this channel for major updates also. So we are in the Photoshop and the background has been loaded into Photoshop. This is the background on which we are going to work. This is a cyberpunk concept which is very much popular in the Photoshop terms. So I will drag myself. This is PNG, or you can say cutout of my image. To make this kind of cutout very easily and quickly, I have placed a link in the description for this tutorial, so you can also create this kind of cutout very easily and quickly. So here I will create a new layer. Inside that I will take a sample of the color through which I will draw a rim light like of blue color around my body. So again I will take a red color from the sample from the background, so I can create a rim light of red color around my body that will affect as the rim light for me. So it is very easy, just sample and change the brush setting like I did in the Photoshop, and you can rotate your image by pressing R. So as I finished my rim light around my body, so I will now create like green color eye lenses in my eyes, which is very useful, and like just give you the energy of like some toxic type. So I used green color for this. So it is very easy, you can stroke and just set your color whatever color of eyes you want, so you can follow along this. So this is the method through which you can glue around your body. It is very easy and quick. Threshold is a underrated tool in the Photoshop, so no one use that. So I prefer to choose that and just put a simple Gaussian blur like around 160 or 180. So it will be fine and just create a glow perfectly.